Okay, it is time for one of my all-time favorite designs. I want to show you guys a butterfly crown. This design is perfect for little kids that can't hold still for the full face, or when you're on a budget, or you're restrained by time. So for whatever reason, you can paint half of a butterfly and it still looks like the whole thing. It's amazing. We're gonna start by patting in whatever is your favorite rainbow at the moment. I'm still in love with this one that has pastels, neons, and regular colors all in one. You want to make sure that it's balanced because this is such a simple design, the base work becomes really important. So in addition to the basic wing shape, I like to add a little extra at the beginning and at the end. And now we're going to go in with an angle brush. I really like a 5/8 angle brush or a 1/2 inch angle brush. Those are my two favorite sizes. This one's by Marcela Bustamante, Blazing Brush. It works great. And we just want to draw the outline of the shape we've already created. So I start with a bigger pull and then go in to do some little echo swoops, just round, 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 all the way around that wing, and then a couple little extra touches at the bottom. Once you get the wings in place, now we're gonna do the body. By using the tip of that angle brush and just doing a couple little pulls and a couple little dots, you end up with this cute little butterfly. And it's time for the line work. All we do under the eyes, instead of a full wing, is we just do a little running trail of teardrops followed by a swirl and some tiny dots. It's just the perfect little way to balance the mask. It gives it something to sit on top of, but it makes it so that most of the design is sitting above the eyebrows. Now, as you do your highlights, you want to make sure that you're not over highlighting. We don't want to put white everywhere, but by focusing on the center of the butterfly, that's going to bring everybody's eyes to that focal point. And remember, we want this to look a little bit like a princess crown. So we're adding a couple little extra teardrops and then echoing that swirl up with a little swirl down. And here you go, a little bit of glitter here and there, and we are done.
There you go.
I like it.
You look gorgeous, sweetie.